Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're gonna discuss how you can do wiring of encoder with your S7-1200 AC-DC relay PLC. And I have pre-made one program over here which we're gonna discuss what I did over here. I used a move instruction over here, and as the address I use ID 1000, which is my encoder address. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna build a new project from the beginning, and I'm gonna show you step by step what you have to do. Let's go to the camera side. As you can see over here, my PLC, and it's connected via Ethernet over here. And let's go to the wiring side. As you can see on the wiring side, my red is connected to 24 volt, black is connected to 0 volt, green is my A, white is my B, and I jump her 24 volt to 1 amp over here. And this is my encoder, and same encoder I ordered from online, so I had to pull the data sheet which wire is which, and I'm gonna show you that. This is my encoder, which has a 600 P/R, which is single phase 600 pulses per rotation, and the connections are like that over here. As you can see, green is phase A, white is phase B, red is 24 volt, and black is 0. As we know the wiring now, let's say if my encoder is working or not. When I'm spinning this, it's changing the value, so it means it's working. So I'm gonna just minimize this, and we're gonna create a new project from beginning. You need to go offline first. You create a new project. No, we don't want to save the old project as we are building it from scratch. You double click on add new device and select your PLC from this list. Once you're going to select your PLC will appear over here. You double click on your PLC. Under the general tab, under high speed counter, I'm selecting high speed counter 1. Go to general and enable your high speed counter. Go to functions, and instead of single phase you select A and B. Hardware side, you can see which input are connected to it, and IO address I can see it's 1000 for this counter. One more very important step, you need to make sure your IP address is exactly same as your PLC has. My PLC has IP address of 192.168.1.30. Now I go to main block. And I want to choose move instruction as input. I want to put ID 1000 as my high speed counter. On the output side, I'm going to put MD4. You extend a branch. And over here you're gonna select as a dent. You're gonna select here as the output of MD4. Alright, over here I want to make sure when my counter value is above 500 and less than 1000, I want this output 0 to turn on. Let's try to download it. Search for your PLC, and when you are in industry, you make sure you are selecting the right PLC. For that, you select the flash LED, and your LEDs will blink like that. So you want to make sure you're selecting the right PLC. You load the program. And once you are online, you select the visibility. Now I can see everything is up and running. I want to make sure my tag is showing as a decimal to show the visibility that when we're gonna move our encoder. And now when I'm gonna move this, as you can see, when I'm above 500, my output turned on, and when I'm gonna above 1000, it's shut off. Let me make it bigger. You can see the output. You can see the output over here. So it's that simple to go online and tested your encoder with S7-1200. Thank you very much for watching.